Most drummers keep learning more and more fills and wonder why they sound so basic. But the best drummers with fills so good that they scare people do the opposite. They take one pattern and evolve it. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you my 5-step stack system that allows you to take one basic fill and turn it into something so insane that it absolutely freaks your friends out. So in order to learn the system, we need to start off with one basic pattern. Now this 5-step system can apply to any pattern that you know, but for the sake of this video, I'll teach you a pattern that I love, which is right, left, kick, left, right, left, left. That sounds like this. Okay, so the first step in our stack system is to skip the last note. That means we're simply removing the last note from the pattern that we're working on. So now we're gonna delete that last left, which will take this pattern from 8 notes to 7 notes, which will completely change the way the entire pattern sounds. This is awesome. Now we have 2 patterns basically from one pattern, but things get even crazier, or should I say scarier, when you can combine these patterns. So you start off with the original sticking pattern, the 8-note pattern, and then right after play the 7-note pattern. Now you can mix and match these 2 patterns even though they're built from the same thing and really create some crazy fills. Check it out. All right, so our fills aren't scary good yet, but what is scary is trying to remember every step in this video on your own. But I got you. I've included all the play along notation to this entire system totally for free. Just click the link in the description below and I will send it straight to your inbox. But we've just gotten started, so let's keep leveling up this pattern. Our next layer in the stack system is inspired by the most frightening sport out there. I'm talking about soccer or football, depending on where you're watching this from. Because let's be honest, it's gotta be pretty scary pretending to be hurt all the time, am I right? But when soccer players aren't crying for their mommies, they're doing something a lot cooler. Kicking balls. So now let's throw some kicks into this fill. Real talk though, this is like the simplest thing you can do to improve your fills. I've done it for 20 years. I do it with I Prevail Live all the time. And it's literally just throwing in 8th note kicks under any fill that you're playing. Or if you have a double kick, throwing in 16th note kicks under all of your patterns. So let me show you what these 2 look like real quick. But guys, we're not stopping there. That's not scary enough. We got to keep getting scarier. So we're going to go deeper with throwing in kicks, and that is adding kicks to the actual pattern. Again, this applies to anything, but I love to add in 2 kicks to the end of any pattern. So normally we had right, left, kick, left, right, left. Now we're going to add in a kick. Again, this now takes it from an 8-note pattern to a 10-note pattern, which is a bit odd, but I promise you, this will stretch you outside of your comfort zone, outside of your creativity zone, and completely change the way that you play your fills. Let's hear what this pattern sounds like when we add in 2 kicks to the end of the pattern. So this is already starting to sound really awesome, but we still have 3 more layers to add in that will make your fills as unstoppable as Keanu Reeves in any movie that he's in. I grew up with a Mexican father, and if there's one step in the stack system that I am comfortable with, it is accents.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
One of the most underrated hacks of how to evolve patterns is simply by adding in or changing the accents of a pattern. So what I want us to do here is just change those first 2 ghost notes on the left to 2 accents. If it's easier, you can actually somewhat change the sticking. So instead of right, left, left, you could go right, left, right to really solidify all 3 of those accents. And then just like every step in this video, you can combine it with the original pattern to get a totally different sound out of playing the exact same thing. Check it out. So I hope even up until this point, you're seeing the massive benefits that this system can provide, because all of these things together do so much more than just improve your fills. They improve your overall drumming foundation. They stretch you and grow you as a drummer, and you can apply these foundational skills to every aspect of your drumming. Let's not stop now. We still got 2 more layers to go. Let's dive into the next step. Now, so far, our fills have gotten pretty awesome, but I don't think they are terrifying enough yet. And at this point in the journey is typically when drummers start thinking they need to add in some crazy complexities to really up the level of the fills. But we're actually gonna go in the opposite direction, because this is what insane drummers like Travis Barker, 2 from Sleep Token, or even Eloy Casagrande from Slipknot do. And these drummers use a system that actually simplifies the patterns before they add a bunch of complexity. And that's why the C in our stack system stands for chop it up. So what this means is you can chop up the original pattern into a bunch of tiny little baby patterns that you can mix and match and scatter all around. For example, instead of going through all 8 notes, you could just play the first 3, right, left, left. Or you could just play the first 4 notes, right, left, left, kick. And then instead of playing the full pattern, you could just combine the first 2 baby patterns of right, left, left, and right, left, left, kick. And then finally, you can combine all of the chopped up patterns like right, left, 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 kick, and left, right, left, left. That would sound like this. Now, before we dive into the final step of the stack system, I need you to do one thing, and that is get off the toilet. I know that you're watching this on the toilet. It's fine. We all do it. But you have to actually get behind the kit or bring the kit to your toilet. That's a good idea. I want to encourage you to not just watch these videos and hope that you learn something. You have to actually implement it. Take action. That is how you actually get better. And that's why I created the free play along notation, so you can actually practice this stuff at slow tempos, at fast tempos. You can progress at whatever speed that you want, but at least you have something that you can follow along with. It's totally for free. Click the link in the description below and I will send it straight over. All right, flush that toilet and let's get to the last step. So guys, this last step I've been hinting at all video, and we've already experimented with it in very small micro ways. But this is the step that allows you to turn any pattern into a fill so good that it absolutely freaks all your friends out and you don't have any friends anymore, which ultimately I think is the goal that we're all shooting for with this video, right? The last step is combine. I spelled it with a K. Korn did it, the Kardashians did it, and Travis Barker ended up in that family, so I think I'm touching on something important here. I don't know what yet though. But this is taking every other layer of the stack system and learning to combine it. Because when you take the original pattern and all the different variations that we played with and start to mix and match all of these things in so many different ways, you get so many combination patterns, probably hundreds, from one pattern. And that is the key, guys. That is the key. That is what the best drummers do. That's how you improv around the kit. That's how you flow around the kit without thinking about it. But it takes work. You've got to go super deep here. But trust me, it is worth it. So now let's experiment with combining multiple layers of these patterns together and see what we get. Now guys, we can't just stop at our fills being so freakishly good. We need to make our overall beats and drumming so scary good that it scares all of the friends and family away. And that's why I created this 7-step process that you need to follow to improve your overall drumming. Click right here to check it out. Peace.